Kit Carson Electric serves 3 counties, Taos, Colfax, and Rio Arriba County. We have approximately 30,000 members. We serve 6 municipalities, 3 county governments, and 2 tribes, Taos Pueblo and Picaris Pueblo. So in 2016, since we wanted stable rates, hopefully lower rates, we wanted more renewables. We wanted more independence on the type of power supply that our members wanted. We decided to change the power suppliers. We did that. With that, we had to pay an exit fee, which was important because the exit fee was a fee that kept all the existing members whole. So there would be no subsidies or subsidization of Kit Carson's exit. And we decided to move forward with some goals. First, to have affordable, cheap rates, and second, to have as much solar energy as we could possibly build. Today, we will have about 100% daytime solar by the end of June. This will give us about 45 to 48% of our energy comes from solar. About 20% will come from wind, and the balance will come from conventional fossil fuel sources, which I think everyone's going to have during this energy transition. Our hope is by 2030 that Kit Carson will be fully carbon-free with affordable rates. In a member's electric bill, 75% on average of a person's electric bill is the cost of power. 75% of the decisions are not made by the local co-op members. We've changed that. Here at Kit Carson, our members, by choosing solar and storage and wind, will end up deciding what kind of power supply they want at what cost. Secondly, it fits in with what's happening today in the world. Recently we've had these wildfires, we've had extreme weather events, so we think that going renewables really is our contribution to address climate change concerns that our members have. And thirdly, it's reliable. We understand that at nighttime solar doesn't shine, so we use batteries and we use other conventional resources. But in a community where you have 300 days of solar, it makes perfect sense to use solar. In a time when solar is probably the cheapest power resource in the community or in the country, it makes good business sense. So reliability has not been diminished or decreased. In fact, by local generation, it's been enhanced because now we control close to 50% of the energy supply. We maintain our distribution system. We take care of that locally. At the end of the day, the reliability at Kit Carson actually has increased with this mix of getting new power supplier plus having more local generation. And here that has made us what I consider a model that we can separate from an organization that we had been with or a model that we had been with for 60 years. And be able to survive and now really set out a good, clean future for our membership. And at the end of the day, I think that's what the co-ops are all about, is making sure they take care of their communities back home.